Axiom Space serves as a beacon of hope and a symbol of the future of space exploration, a future that will allow people like you and like me to venture out amongst the stars.
This building is just the beginning of a campus, a spaceport campus that we envision. We're looking forward to being the successor to the International Space Station, and we're on track to launch and attach our first module in late 2026.
Our vision for the Houston Spaceport is clear. It is to bring together a cluster of aviation and aerospace enterprises that will lead the move in Houston from a government-led program to a commercially successful private enterprise industry.
Houston is synonymous with human spaceflight, but never has the spaceship been actually manufactured in Houston. And so this is a historical moment for the city.
The innovation that will happen inside this iconic building will serve as inspiration for Houstonians in decades to come. Space City is a home to more than 23,000 aerospace and aviation professionals, including astronauts, engineers, mathematicians, and mechanics. And these talented minds are choosing to work for Axiom Space, Intuitive Machines, and Collins Aerospace, which has fueled the Houston Spaceport to become the fastest growing spaceport, not in Texas, not in the United States, but on the planet.
Axiom Space solidifies this unique urban center for collaboration and ideation, a place where the brightest minds in the world work closely together to lead us beyond the next frontier of space exploration. Together, there is no limit on what Houston can accomplish.
The future of humanity extends beyond our planet, but the source of the ingenuity that will further our reach is rooted right here in the city of Houston. Congratulations, Axiom Space. Job well done.